Don't worry, I'll save you.
It's okay. It's I just evolved. That's you know, you probably didn't know, but my final form of evolution is a box.
Oh.
Just, yeah.
You're like a Pokemon.
Yeah. Or it's kind of like going back in a Pokeball, but it's a box, you know?
You're a Pokemon? What would your Pokemon sounds be? I like that, okay.
Okay, that's good. That's good that you like it.
What about when you're like a baby Pokemon?
Kind of like that, but probably higher pitch, like meep, meep, meep. I don't know. How would you sound like though if you were one?
Oh, well, I just say my name. Ame.
That's cute.
And then my move would be Ame.
Uh-oh.
Okay.